Hello, today our learning objective is to construct a memo using proper format in Word. I'm going to be using Microsoft Office Word 2010 today. So first, open your word processing program. Might be Word, might be a different one, doesn't matter. First step is to change your top margin. And so I'm going to go ahead and erase my learning objective from here so we can get started. Okay, on the page layout tab, you're going to want to change your top margin to 2 inches. Go to page layout, margins, custom. And the new default's now 1 inch all around, so all you got to do is change your top margin to 2. Click OK. Now you're going to want to go to the Home tab, and in the Styles group over to the right, you want to click on the No Spacing button. You don't want any special spacing styles applied for our format that we're going to be doing. Okay, first thing you're going to want is your title. You're going to center align. Put your caps lock on. You're going to type the word Memo. Oops, I must have had my caps lock on. Memo Random. That's the title. And I'm going to go ahead and click on the Show Hide button to reveal my formatting. So I'm going to press Enter 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Align it back to the left. I'm going to type the word 2 in caps, followed by a colon. Then you're going to want to press Tab once, twice, maybe 3 times. Okay, so it's going to be, take your caps lock off to Fred Smith. Double space between the heading items. Next should be from. Caps. Tab once, twice, 3 times. I'm going to put just Jane Doe. Again, press Enter 2 times. 1, twice. Caps, the word date. Tab once, twice, 3 times. Now, normally you will spell out the entire date. Today's February 15th, 2012. Leave that, let that autofill. Press Enter 2 times, once, twice, and you're going to have the subject line. Now, the subject line should be all caps. So you're going to type the word subject, followed by a colon, tab over a couple times, so however many you need to align it nice and straight with the other heading items. And we'll just say test tomorrow. Okay. Now after the heading items, you're again going to double space before you start your paragraph. Now I'm not going to sit here and have you watch me type a paragraph, but you get the idea. When you're done typing your paragraphs, you're again going to double space, and you're going to type your initials lowercase. So if this is from Jane Doe, you're going to have JD lowercase double spaced at the end of the document. So here's an example of a completed memo in proper format. Just go over the steps again. 2 inch top margin, title centered, all caps. Don't forget to press that no spacing button. And I'm going to go ahead and take off the show hide so you can see what the finished product looks like. Scrolling down, you have the 2, who it's to, who it's from, the date and the subject. Those are all the heading items. You're going to double space between, so you should have 1 blank line in between. The body of the memo, your text paragraphs. Double space between the paragraphs, so you should have 1 blank line. Align to the left, it's called block format. And at the very end, you're going to double space, and then you're going to type your initials. So you see I have a JD here, which match the Jane Doe highlighted in the from of the heading. So that's how you construct a memo in Word using proper format.